Hello, in front of me I've got Ulefone 17 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's search for Files app. Enter it, and right here from the Files app you've got access to your internal storage, divided on categories: recents, downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and other, and apps. Also you can check your collections like favorites and save folder, and internal storage itself. Next you can go to nearby share to send and receive files quickly, and you can clean the junk files from your smartphone. If you go to menu, you've got access to recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.